The market again got stuck ahead of the US inflation data. According to the forecast, growth in the US consumer prices may slow down to 0.5% from 1.5%. Usually, drop in inflation is a rather alarming signal for investors. Moreover, the US Labor Department published the weakest report in the history. Thus, the current crisis can be compared just with the Great Depression that was accompanied by deep and prolonged deflation. In fact, the inflation drop is not turning into deflation at the moment. However, there is a high possibility of such a result. All instruments and policies implemented by various central banks worldwide imply lower key interest rates in case of a significant inflation slowdown. Thus, if the US inflation data meets the forecast, investors may become concerned about the fact that the US Fed may bring interest rates into negative territory. That's why the US inflation report may lead to the US dollar depreciation. However, the general trend remains upward for dollar. Thus, a decline in the US dollar is likely to be a short-term phenomenon. The euro-dollar pair once again found support near the level of 1.0775. After that, the pair approached 1.0850 and started trading between the mentioned levels. As a result, market participants paid particular attention to this range. It's quite possible that the pair will fluctuate between the mentioned levels. Trading can be performed within the range or when the pair breaks its limits. Sell positions can be opened below 1.060765 with the targeted level at 1.0700. Buy positions can be opened above 1.0835 with the target at 1.0860. If the price consolidates above 1.0880, the euro-dollar pair is likely to break the limit. The pound-dollar pair found support between the levels of 1.2265 and 1.2280 for the third time. The pair once again slowed down and rebounded. In this case, the price hit the level of 1.2350. The quote may hover within the mentioned levels for some time. After that, it may accelerate. Traders are recommended to wait until the pair breaks the limits. Buy positions can be opened above 1.2375 with the target at 1.2400, 2440. Sell positions can be initiated below 1.2260 with the targeted level at 1.2150. That's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and keep abreast of the latest events. See you soon.